What excuses have you to offer, my heart, for so many shortcomings? Such constancy on the part of the beloved, such unfaithfulness on your own. So much generosity on his side, on yours such niggling contrariness. So many graces from him, so many faults committed by you. Such envy, such evil imaginings, and dark thoughts in your heart, such drawing, such tasting, such munificence by him. Why all this tasting, that your bitter soul may become sweet? Why all this drawing, that you may join the company of the saints? You are repentant of your sins, you have the name of God on your lips. In that moment he draws you on, so that he may deliver you alive. You are fearful at last of your wrongdoings, you seek desperately a way to salvation. In that instant, why do you not see by your side him, who is putting such fear into your heart? If he has bound up your eyes, you are like a pebble in his hand. Now he rolls you along like this. Now he tosses you in the air. Now he implants in your nature a passion for silver and gold and women. Now he implants in your soul the light of the form of Mustafa. On this side, drawing you towards the lovely ones on that side, drawing you to the unlovely. Amid these whirlpools, the ship can only pass through or founder. Offer up so many prayers, weep so sorely in the night season, that the echo may reach your ears from the sphere of the seven heavens. When Shuaib's groaning and lamentation and tears like hailstones passed beyond all bounds, in the morning a proclamation came to him from heaven. If you are a sinner, I have forgiven you and granted you pardon for your sins. Is it paradise you seek? Lo, I have given it to you. Be silent, cease these petitions. Shuaib retorted, I seek neither this nor that. What I desire is to see God face to face. Though the seven seas all turn to fire, I will plunge therein, if only I may encounter him. But if I am banished from that spectacle, if my tear-stained eyes are shut against that vision, I am more fit to dwell in hellfire. Paradise becomes me not. Without his countenance, paradise for me is hateful hell. I am consumed by this hue and scent of mortality. Where is the splendor of the lights of immortality? They said, at least moderate your weeping, lest your sight be diminished, for the eye becomes blind when weeping passes beyond bounds. He said, if my two eyes in the end should be seeing after that fashion, every part of me will become an eye. Why then should I grieve over blindness? But if in the end this eye of mine should be deprived forever, let that sight indeed become blind, which is unworthy to behold the beloved. In this world every man would become a ransom for his beloved. One man's beloved is a bag of blood, another's the sun in splendor. Since every man has chosen a beloved, good or bad, as suits his own nature, it would be a pity if we should annihilate ourselves for the sake of nothing. One day, a traveler was accompanying Bayazid on a certain road. Presently, Bayazid said to him, "What trade have you chosen, you rogue?" The man replied, "I am a mule driver." Bayazid exclaimed, "Be gone from me. Lord, grant that his mule may die, that he may become the slave of God." Today, I beheld the beloved, that ornament of every affair. He went off departing to heaven, like the spirit of Mustafa. The sun is put to shame. By his countenance, heaven's sphere is as confused as the heart. Through his glow, water and clay are more resplendent than fire. I said, "Show me the ladder that I may mount up to heaven." He said, "Your head is the ladder. Bring your head down under your feet. When you place your feet on your head, you will place your feet on the head of the stars. When you cleave through the air, set your foot on the air, so and come." 100 ways to heaven's air become manifest to you. You go flying up to heaven every dawning like a prayer. Every instant, a revelation from heaven comes to men's innermost souls. How long, like dregs, do you remain upon earth? Come up. Whoever is heavy of soul, in the end proves to be dregs. Only then does he mount to the top of the vat, when his dregs are clarified. Do not stir the clay every moment, so that your water may become clear, so that your dregs may be illumined, so that your pains may be cured. It is spiritual, like a torch, only its smoke is greater than its light. When its smoke passes beyond bounds, it no longer displays radiance in the house. If you diminish the smoke, you will enjoy the light of the torch. Both this abode and that will become illumined by your light. If you look into muddy water, you see neither the moon nor the sky. Sun and moon both disappear when darkness possesses the air. A northern breeze is blowing, through which the air becomes clarified. It is for the sake of this burnishing that at dawn the zephyr breathes. The spiritual breeze burnishes the breast of all sorrow. Let the breath be stopped but for a moment, and annihilation will come upon the spirit. The soul, a stranger in the world, is yearning for the city of placelessness. Why, oh why does the bestial spirit continue so long to graze? Pure, goodly soul, how long will you journey on? You are the king's falcon. Fly back toward the emperor's whistle.